This is giving me like elegant vibes, like I'm a boss and I own like companies and I'm a CEO. I like this though.
Yes, it's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mara More, and if you want more, I'll give you more. So in this video, I have achieved this look. You know, if you're on the go but you just want to look put together, this is the look for you. No lashes, no nothing, but you know, still cute and still slaying. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. So the first thing I'm gonna go on with is my Carmex because my lips are dry, honey. Dry. So next I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. primer. Don't wash the nails, people. Don't wash the nails because they're not cute. Put it in the T-zone area because that's where I mainly get oily. So the T-zone is here. So I've already done my brows for the purpose of saving time in this video. So now I'm gonna go on with my foundation, and I used to use the I think it was Maybelline, I think. But I don't know why I always keep getting the wrong shade, but I make it work, people. I make it work because you know why? I have to, because I spent money, so I gotta make it work. This is the L'Oreal Perfect Match. It's not my perfect match, but I shall find it, and this is in Deep Cool. And I think that I do like about this foundation is you don't really need that much. A little really does go a long way. And I'm not gonna do anything, I'm not gonna over highlight. So I'm just gonna go with this Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I like to let my concealer dry a little bit because when you blend it in and it's not dry, you're just blending in, you don't see a highlight. But when you let it dry for a little bit, you see where you've actually put the concealer and it actually does what it's supposed to do. So just make sure your beauty blender is damp, or if you're using a brush, that's fine. Or even if you don't have a beauty blender or a brush, your next best tool is your fingers. So next I'm gonna go with my Mercier setting powder. This stuff is really good because I'm pretty sure in my, not my last video, but probably 2 or 3 videos before that, the setting powder that I was using, I didn't like it at all. It left a shine. I really don't like this powder, you guys. When I say I put it on, it gives me like a shine. I don't like the shine at all. It might work for some of you guys, but for me, I really don't like it. I was just like, nope, this isn't gonna work for me. So I just said, you know what, let's do something better. We gotta do better. And as I'm going on my forehead, I like to go on my brows a little bit as well. Gotta set those brows, you know? So now I'm just gonna go with the True Match powder. I'm not trying to look like Casper, okay? We don't want to look like Casper. I hope I'm not getting it on this shirt. I would wear a white shirt though doing makeup. That's, of course. So I'm gonna go with the medium dark Revolution Glow bronzer on the nose. You can always use a smaller brush. I use a smaller brush or this brush for the nose contour. For a more precise contour for the nose, I always use a smaller brush though. Now for the eyes, I'm just gonna go in with some eyeliner. I feel like I need eyeliner. Like I feel like I would just look really off if I don't wear any eyeliner. Now we're gonna go with some dip liner and make like a nice wing. I'm gonna try. Hey, oh, hey, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm taking my freedom. Now if I have a bump or something, I like to just place it. Well, I got a lot actually. Just place it there so it looks like a beauty mark. Now the mascara, Mega Lash I use this for my eyes and my eyebrows, because you see how I've already set my brows and they're looking a little, I don't know, maybe to me they look a little brown, and I want them to look a little bit darker. And I'll just take the excess off and then go in on the brows. And my brows have been growing out, which I kind of like. I kind of like them thick. Simply going with some lip gloss. Gloss all the way. And some setting spray. This is by Benefit. So all that good stuff. Oh, I'm cute. We can be cute together. And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.